In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the YJ MGC Square-1 Rubik's Cube. I ordered this on Speed Cube Shop a few days ago, and I am personally a big fan of the MGC brand. I have their 2x2, and I've tried the MGC 5x5 and 4x4. And from what I've heard, the MGC 6x6 is the only good one on the market. So I have really high hopes for this. Really high hopes. Alright. Does it have the Square-1 box? Oh, it doesn't. It's got one of these. Different than the 2x2 box. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah, it's got the same box. Alright. Alright, let's take a look at it. Alright, so it comes with the Square-1, obviously, and an accessories box. So we'll take a look at the Square-1 first. Alright. Camera. There we go. Ooh. Now, for those of you who don't know how this works, this isn't like a normal 3x3, so you can see you can't turn it. How you have to turn it is like this. And you can only do full 180-degree turns. Like that. Now, it's really, I actually don't know how to solve this, but we'll figure that out. Now, let's take a look at the accessories box. This comes with the MGC screwdriver. Oh, some pieces so you can swap out the yellow or white side with it. And how to solve the Square-1. Put these pieces back in the box. So these black pieces are only made so they can swap out with the white or yellow pieces. So see, this piece matches just with this corner, all these corners, but none of the pieces, they won't match with any of these. I'm personally not sure if I'll switch them, mostly because I really don't want to break them. So we're going to set that to the side. Let's take a look at the pamphlet. This is all Chinese. Is there an English side on the back? There is. Okay, great. So, how to make a flower pattern on the bottom. What about how to solve it? What I wonder. Okay, so can I follow Square-1 notation? Here we go. So if I get 10 likes on this video, I'll do a video on notation. And I don't. And then that did not work. Alright, so flip middle layers. Okay, let's try this algorithm then. And that flipped the middle edge. So now let's try it then. 1 slash minus 1 slash. As you can probably tell, I have... wait, I did it. Alright. So as you can probably tell from the lack of talking there, that I was thoroughly confused. Now, the Square-1 is actually the only WCA puzzle that actually can shapeshift. As you can see, this is no longer in cube shape. This turns really well, but it feels really dry. Again, because there's no lube in it. This is like the only time you'll ever get to feel this in a cube. Because this is completely raw out of the box, no lube service beforehand. But I probably should have done that because I don't know how to how to lube it. But I personally really like it. This turns really well. Finger tricks are very easy on this. And as you can probably tell, the magnets are so that it always clicks into place with one of these lines. Because that's the only way you can turn it. Because if it's like this, it won't turn. Or this, it won't turn. Or if it's just in this position, it won't turn in some places. This. I don't really know much about this puzzle, but I saw it and it looks really fun, and I'm really excited to learn how to solve it. This also comes with a Happy Halloween card from Speed Cube Shop in September. Spooky Collection 2022, available for limited time only, so you guys better go over to Speed Cube Shop and check that out. This was bought on Speed Cube Shop. I think this is probably, from what I've read and heard and felt, best Square-1 on the market. Now, let's try this with a little bit of Nebula in it. Alright, I just put some Nebula in it, which is probably my favorite lube ever. So you can feel it and you can probably hear it as well. The lube is in the cube now. It feels this definitely a lot better. I'm not a huge fan of that dry feeling. And it works really well, as Nebula is actually recommended for Square-1s. Now, I'll leave links to buy this puzzle in the description. Highly recommend you go buy it. Really fun to turn puzzle. And yeah, that's all for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.